Number 1, the lobola debate. Lobola is one of the biggest debates. Some people support it strongly. Others feel it should change. The truth is, it represents respect and family connection. But how it's practiced today is where opinions differ. Number 2, strict respect. Some people feel respect rules are too strict. Others believe they are necessary. So the question becomes, should culture adapt or stay the same? Number 3, tradition versus modern life. As the world changes, people ask, do we evolve or preserve tradition? And this is where opinions really split. Number 4, family expectations. Strong family expectations can feel supportive, but sometimes also like pressure. And that's why this topic creates discussion. Earlier on, we touched on why some Shona traditions are followed so strictly. There's no right or wrong answer, but I just want to give you my personal opinion. It's not about being rigid or controlling. There are deep reasons behind it. One of the reasons is that they carry generational knowledge. Shona traditions have been passed down for centuries. They are not random rules. They are lessons from ancestors. They are ways of solving problems. They are systems that kept communities stable. So following them strictly helps preserve that knowledge without losing meaning. And also the other reason is that is for the respect for ancestors. In Shona culture, ancestors are not just people from the past. They are seen as guides. They are seen as protectors. They are seen as part of everyday life. So traditions are followed carefully as a way of honoring and staying aligned with them. And also the other reason is for structure and social order. Traditions create clear expectations on how to behave, how to relate to others, what is acceptable. So this reduces conflict and builds strong, respectful communities. And also for identity and belonging purposes. Traditions answer the question, who are we? When people follow them, they are staying connected to their roots, they are preserving their culture, they are strengthening group identity. So without them, culture can slowly fade. And the other reason is for meaning over convenience. In many modern societies, people prioritize convenience. But in Shona culture, meaning comes first. Even if something feels strict, it's done because it matters, not because it's easy. And for fear of losing culture, there's also a real concern. If traditions aren't followed properly, they might disappear. So strictness becomes a way of protecting culture, also a way of passing it on correctly. And a simple way to understand it, what looks like strict rules is actually respect, its identity, its history and meaning. culture isn't always simple, and that's why these conversations matter. Whether you agree or disagree, understanding is what is most important. So that's my opinion. Let me know what you think in the comments.